For those of you who don't know me, I'm Adele, a teacher, creator, illustrator, and a proud homeowner reclaiming my little corner of the UK. In 2018, I bought my first home. Then, in 2020, I packed up, moved to Dubai, and began living the dream. Teaching, travelling, and managing my Airbnb from afar. Meanwhile, on the ground, my incredible mum, aka my PA, stylist and idol, handled everything back home. 5 years, 7 months, 25 countries, and a cat later, I'm finally back and ready to make this house my home again. It's not a new build, it's not a total do-over, it's just a loving, lived-in space with stories on every wall. Follow along as I juggle online tutoring, crafting and DIY makeovers with the help of my mum and my retired carpenter dad. This is a real-life home Reno and hopefully a little inspiration for anyone dreaming big from wherever they are. Let's begin.